lot of people convince their organizations that they're going to move forward with responsive design. They're able to see that that is the way to move forward, to be able to not have to worry about specific form factors, especially since form factors are changing so rapidly in a way that no one can keep up. And then when they start into that process, what they realize is that it's much more complex than the simple sort of tenets of responsive design. They realize that if they were to simply take what they've got and make it responsive, that they would end up with a site that's very slow and bloated. They end up wondering what they're going to do with the pages on their site that contain complex information, whether that's tables or charts or things that display and convey a lot of information on a large screen become hard to do on small screens. How do they figure out if their designs are even going to work on all these different devices? How do they collaborate and make decisions with their teams? If there's somebody who doesn't code, how do they make sure that the process provides them with input during the browser development when design decisions get made in the browser? Because it's inevitable. It's part of what responsive design requires. So all of this is probably a more radical shift for something that is fundamentally simple to understand, something that can be encapsulated in a single article on a list apart. Responsive design as a whole really does challenge organizations, teams, and individuals to think and work differently. And a lot of what we're going to be covering and talking about in the workshop is how individuals should do that, how to get a good foundation in place with mobile-first responsive design, and then also how to address some of those first challenges that they'll run into in their organization as they start implementing it.